In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the first day of the week in Google Calendar. Whether you're organizing your work schedule or planning your weekends, customizing the start of your week in Google Calendar can make a big difference in how you view and manage your time. Let's dive right into it. First, we'll need to access Google Calendar. You can easily do this by opening your web browser and navigating to calendar.google.com. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your Google account credentials. Once you're logged in, you should see your calendar displayed in front of you. Now, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see a small gear icon there. This is your settings menu. Click on the gear icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to a page where you can customize various aspects of your Google Calendar. Once you're on the settings page, direct your attention to the left-hand side where you'll find different sections listed. Look for the section titled General and click on it. This will expand the menu to reveal more options. Now, click on View Options. This section is where you'll be able to alter how your calendar is displayed, including setting the start of the week. As you scroll through the View Options section, you'll notice a drop-down menu labelled Start Week On. This is where you can choose which day your calendar week should start. Clicking on this drop-down will present you with several options, such as Sunday, Monday, and Saturday. Select the day that best suits your planning needs. Whether you prefer your week to start on a Sunday, Monday, or even Saturday, you can personalize it to match your scheduling habits. The great thing about Google Calendar is that once you make your selection, the changes are automatically saved. This means you don't have to worry about looking for a save button or accidentally navigating away and losing your settings. Your calendar view will be updated instantly, reflecting the new starting day of the week. And that's it, you've now successfully customized your Google Calendar to reflect the start of the week that aligns with your personal or cultural preferences. Remember, this customization can help you better visualize your events and tasks, making it easier to plan and stay organized. By following these simple steps, your Google Calendar is now tailored to meet your scheduling needs. Changing your first day of the week can truly transform how you perceive and organize your weekly agenda. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to adjust further settings to make the most out of your calendar experience. Happy planning!